We are exploring a beautiful collection of creative denim craft ideas made from old jeans, fabric scarves, lace, flowers, jute, and simple decorative materials. These crafts are not only beautiful ways to reuse things we already have at home, but they can also become a relaxing and enjoyable activity. Sometimes, when life feels busy, our minds need a small break. Sitting down with some fabric, scissors, glue, and decorations can give us a peaceful moment to slow down and enjoy the creative process. And it's a very amazing craft idea, and crafting can be a wonderful anti-stress activity because it gives your mind something gentle and positive to focus on instead of thinking about many things at the same time. You can concentrate on choosing colors, arranging pieces, cutting shapes, and creating something with your hands. There is no need to rush. You can simply enjoy each little step and allow yourself to become completely involved in the activity. This simple concentration can make crafting feel peaceful and refreshing. Our first inspiration is a beautiful denim pocket decoration combined with flowers and natural textures. An old jeans pocket can become something completely different when it is decorated with lace and different flowers, different beads, ribbons, or jute rope. And this is one of the nicest things about upcycling. Something that might have been thrown away can become a charming piece of home decor. The creative process itself can be more enjoyable than the final result because every little detail gives you a chance to express your imagination. Denim is especially fun to work with because it has a strong structure and a beautiful blue color. You can combine it with soft cream lace, warm brown jute, colorful or wooden beads to create a cozy handmade look. When you touch the different materials and arrange them together, the process can feel very calming. Crafting does not have to be perfect. In fact, small imperfections can make handmade decorations feel more personal, warm, and special. Another lovely idea, is in a denim and grapevine heart wreath decorated with flowers, ribbons, and little handmade details. A heart shape naturally creates a warm and welcoming feeling, making it perfect for a door, wall, bedroom, or creative corner. Making a wreath can also be a slow and relaxing activity. You can wrap fabric around the base, arrange flowers one by one, add ribbons, and then step back to see how everything comes together. It's amazing, charming. When we create something with our hands, we can take a break from consistently looking at screens and scrolling through our phones. Even a quick minute spent cutting fabric, arranging decorations can feel like a small research. The goal is not to make the most complicated craft. The goal is to enjoy the moment. Put on some soft music, prepare your materials, and give yourself permission to create without worrying about perfection. The next idea shows how denim and burlap can look beautiful together. These natural textures create a rustic and cozy appearance, especially when combined with handmade bows and simple floral designs. You can use leftover denim from old jeans and small pieces of burlap that might otherwise be unused. This type of craft is a great reminder that creativity does not always require expensive supplies. Sometimes the most beautiful projects begin with the simplest materials. Crafting can also give you a sense of accomplishment. Imagine starting with an old pair of jeans that no longer fits or is no longer being used. After some creative work, Those same jeans can become wall decor, a flower holder, or a fridge organizer, or even a beautiful handmade gifts. Seeing the transformation can make you feel proud of yourself. That feeling of completely something can bring a little happiness into an ordinary day. Here we can also see a framed denim flower arrangement. A simple denim pockets against the main focus, while colorful flowers bring life and brightness to the design. This idea can be adapted in many different ways. You could use artificial flower, dried flowers, paper flowers, or even handmade fabric flowers. You can choose colors according to your room and create a decoration that feels personal and meaningful. One of the most relaxing parts of crafting is choosing the details. You might spend time deciding whether you use white lace or beige lace, blue ribbon or brown ribbon, small flowers or large flowers. These little decisions allow your imagination to become active in a calm way. There is no single correct answer. You are creating something for yourself, so you can follow your own taste and let your creativity guide you. And it's a very amazing different ideas, and you let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for spending this creative time with me. If you enjoyed this anti-stress DIY ideas, I hope you will choose one project and try in your own style. Remember, crafting is not a competition and perfection is never the goal. Take your time, breath, create and enjoy every little detail. If this video inspired you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more creative DIY, recycling, home decor and relaxing craft ideas. Keep creating, keep smiling and always give yourself